Hello everyone, today we are talking about this bidet. This is a sponsored product. The installation of the product is very simple. Once you get it, you would just install it here. Over here you can see it has the screw set comes with, and it is very easy. You would just place this thing inside and make sure it is tight. After that you can just close this and it will sit in place very nice and easy. You can see it's staying right there and it doesn't move. Even if you sit on it, just going to stay on its place, and it does work really well. And over here it has this built-in tool that to just use it while you attach this part on the tank, so you can just utilize this tool to just make sure everything is tight. And the operation is very easy. You can adjust the water level here and over here for the females and for the rear part, and it also has nozzle cleaning. So I can show you guys how it works for the nozzle cleaning. So here, once you open, it will just dispense water and clean it. It will also help you if while you are cleaning around, you can just activate that part and it just works really well. And we really like this. It is much better option to clean yourself after your business, so that works really well. And as you can see here, doesn't have any issue, no huge gap. It came with this razor plastic piece, so we just pushed it on and it just sits well. And as you can see, no gap, no, like it doesn't even have any movement while you are sitting. That works really well. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.